Hello, everybody. Professor D here. This is similar to what your final website will look like. You will have a navigation system, and you don't have to name it exactly what I have here, but you can have what you like there. You need at least three items in your navigation system. It has to be horizontal. You'll have an image, okay? And a good place to get images is pixabay.com. It's royalty free images, or you can use your own images. You're making an ice cream shop, so everything has to be related. So you'll have this, and I'm going to ask you, what is this? Because by this time, you should know what this is. And you can put whatever name you like. You don't have to name it what I'm calling my ice cream shop. And then you can put any words you want here. And how do you get these words in your website? So you should know that by now. Then I have my second image. And this image, I did get all of my images from pixabay.com. And this image I reduced to 25%. And I'll show you how to do that. And then you can say whatever you want to say after you insert your image. You can say whatever you want to say before. Make sure you have one word is bold and another word is italicized. Um, you're going to put another one of these, and it says again, put your heading. So that's a clue. And if you notice, this one is smaller than the first one, so it has to follow suit. Then you're going to put anything you want here. And you have these little lines. So how do you get these lines in? So you have to figure that out. And you have another one of these, right? And it's smaller if you notice. And then this is a picture that came from pixabay.com. And it's 25% of the original picture that's on Pixabay. You can use any pictures as long as it's of ice cream. It doesn't really matter which pictures you use. Um, don't get your pictures from Google. Go to a royalty free site like Pixabay or use your own images. Then you're going to list the types of ice cream. Okay, and then you're going to have some social media. I put Facebook, and then I put follow us, and then have the copyright symbol and the year, and created by the Mathis Family Ice Cream Shop. And that's it. So you have all the tools to put this together. Now, this is not pretty, but we went over all of this in class. This shouldn't take you that long to put together. So let me just show you how to change a picture. So if I click here and I put in ice cream. So I'm at pixabay.com, and I'm going to I didn't use this one. So let me just download. Free download. I'm going to download. I'm going to click I'm not a robot. Then I'm going to download. Okay. So should be in my downloads folder, and here it is. All right. So this is a JPEG, right? So if I click on this and go down to properties, I see that this picture is uh, 1920 by 1440. So that's how large it is. So it's really big. So if I wanted to change it, I'm going to right click on it. And this is for a PC. I'm going to open with, and every PC has paint. And then I'm opening it with paint. Okay, so let me just do that again so you can see. Right click, I'm going to open with, and I'm clicking on paint. All right, then I'm going to the images group, and I'm saying resize. And instead of saying 100, I'm going to say 25. And I'm going to say okay. And then I'm going to save it back to where it came from. All right, so once I do that, if I click on that picture now and go down to properties, and I go to details, right? It tells me that it's smaller. Remember, it was 1920 before. Now it's 480 by 360. So that's how you reduce your picture size. I don't want to see any CSS in I don't want to see any CSS in your HTML index file. Okay, when you get done, you should have a style, um, CSS style, right? Sheet. You should have an index folder, which is your home page, and you should have your images in your images folder. And if I open it, here are all my images. Okay, so you can call your images what you want. The whole goal of this is to see exactly what you've learned in this class. So I'll see you all in the next lesson. Have fun and good luck. Bye bye.